Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I'm the instructor for this practical series on Informatics practices Python Pandas. So in practical number 11, we will write a program to create a data frame quarterly sales where each row contains the quarterly sales of the TV, fridge and AC and perform the operation on them. To start with, I will go to my browser, then I will search for Colab, then I will click on this link, Google Colab, then I will open a new notebook. So I will write practical number 10, practical number 11 here. IP practical number 11. So I have already created the this one. So in this we have to write a program to create the data frame quarterly sales where each row contains the quarterly sales of the TV, fridge and AC. Okay, so I will start with first import pandas as pd. Then I will write import numpy as np. We will use it nd array here, so that why we are importing numpy one. So I will write a series for this is dictionary I'm creating. So I will write first TV. Here I have data right 340, 300. So you can put any number you want. 390, 276. Then I will write for fridge. So I can write 210, 314, 301, 240. Any random data you can take. Then I have comma for AC. I will write AC 90, then 270, then 50, then 30. Now I will define the index now. Index I can write quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and Q4. This is my index. Now my data frame will be like, suppose I write sales as my data frame, then I will write pd dot data frame D capital F capital, then I will write my data will be S and my index will be index. So index equal to index I can write. Okay. So here I can, first question is show the data frames data. Okay. So my first question is show the data frames data. So first I will show like print I, and print sales. So this is my first number. So I will write print sales. So my S will be small. Okay. This is my first question. So I will write, instead of I can write this one. So if I execute this shift plus enter, I will get. So this is the data I am having. In index I have this quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for TV I have 340, 300, 390. Fridge I have this data, and for AC I have this data. So this is my the data frame. Okay. So my next question is display AC and fridge columns data. So only if I want to display AC and fridge. So for that I will simply copy this and paste it here. So instead of 1 I will write 2, and I want sales data for AC and fridge. So in this I will write only for the AC and fridge. So I will write AC, comma fridge. Let's execute this. So I need to put one more list here. So I will just now press this. I'm getting this. Okay. So print sales only AC and fridge in a list. So I'm getting the data for this AC and fridge. So but this 2 is means I want a gap here between Q4 and 2. So for that I can simply write print this one. If I execute this, I get a space here. Okay. So next question is my number of products sold in a third quarter. So I have to display the number of products sold in the third quarter. So for that I need to first I will copy this and paste it here. So I will write this one. I want the sales data products sold in the third quarter. So I will just write products sold third quarter. So I can write print sales dot log loc list. In the inside the list I can write quarter 3 data and dot sum small. So if I now execute this, I will get product sold in third quarter is 741. Okay, so if you plus this 390 plus 301 plus 50, so it will give you 741. Okay, so now the next question is delete details of TV column and display the data frame. So TV column, I want to delete this and display the data frame. Okay, so I will have only fridge and AC, no more column for TV. So I will simply write this one, Control C. If I write here 4, then I can write print sales dot drop. I want to drop this, I want to delete this, so I can use drop. Then what I want to drop, I want to drop TV, so comma access is equal to 1. Okay, so if I now execute this, so I will get this one 4. So TV column has been removed, only fridge and AC I have. Okay, so suppose if I want a space between 741 and 4, I can just simply print for spacing. I can just execute this. So now if you can see, there is a spacing between this. Okay, if I want a space between quarter 4 and Q3, you can just write here also print. Okay, now if I execute this, so now I have this space. So just to make it better, I can simply like this end of my first question, this is the end of my second question, this is the end of my third question. Okay, so now it is presentable now. Okay, so this is the practical number 11. See you in the next practical. Thank you very much.